Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be an exciting one because I will be cooking one of the most famous Nigerian soup, and that is okra with vegetable leaf. Just to let you know, everything on this table is fully washed, prepped and ready to go. I will be using asa fish, stockfish, grilled beef, and if you haven't checked my previous video, please check it out because I explained in details the reason why I grill my beef beforehand. Now moving on, we have ugu leaf, chopped okra, palm oil, crayfish, and chopped onion. Over here we also have ground pepper, and lastly we have chicken cube. If you noticed, on this table I am not making use of salt because chicken cube already contains salt in it, and also for some health purpose I try to stay away from salt. If you have been enjoying this video so far and you are new to my channel, click on that subscribe button if you haven't yet subscribed, share this video, like, and also don't forget to comment in the comment section below for any other recipe you want to see in this channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for supporting this channel. Keep watching and I see you in the next video.